Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and summer's here. It's time to take advantage of the pool, and if you own a pool, you know how much of a pain they can be to keep clean. Now this is the brand new iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 AI, a cordless robotic cleaner that has dual camera vision and even a quad-core neural engine that runs AI on device. It's also the coolest looking pool cleaner I've ever seen. Big thanks to iGarden for sponsoring this video and sending over the M1 for us to check out. In your pool, dirt, leaves, and grime can collect, and before you know it, you're spending more time cleaning than actually swimming in your pool. The M1 AI will intelligently clean your pool and also has a crazy 16 hours of battery so you can spend the summer swimming and hanging poolside. We're gonna quickly take a look what comes in the box and then put this robotic pool cleaner to the test. Let's get started. Opening up the box, you have a quick start guide, a user manual, and a hook, which is nice to retrieve it in case you need to from the bottom of the pool. You have a filter plus your charger, which plugs into the back of the pool cleaner. And finally in the box is that pool cleaner. The M1 AI's design is super sleek and futuristic. iGarden calls it their AquaVantage supercar-inspired design. It really does fit the pool vibe. It's also built with ResistTech corrosion-resistant materials to make sure the product lasts, and there's even a built-in light for the low light cleaning. Underneath it features a heavy-duty dual grip traction system with 2 Caterpillar tracks and 4 wheels to help it smoothly climb walls and tile without slipping. Taking a look at the unit, you've got a built-in touchscreen control panel on top and allows you to change cleaning modes on the fly. You can turn on turbo or AI target mode and check how much battery is left. There's also a convenient app where you can customize everything as needed, and once set up, you just toss the M1 in the water. All right, so this is the M1 AI, so what exactly makes it so smart? Instead of just randomly bumping into walls like older pool robots, the iGarden M1 uses a built-in quad-core neural engine with a dedicated 6 TOPS NPU. Combined with those dual cameras, it will actually create a 3D depth map of your pool. It'll recognize obstacles like drains, ladders, and steps, and even calculate the absolute most efficient path to clean it. It can detect distance, depth, and different types of debris that we'll test out. Now, if you're worried about data security, iGarden locally processes everything all on the device. They use a hardware level secure enclave, so none of your pool footage is being uploaded to a cloud server or transmitted anywhere. Since it's all on device, it keeps your backyard private. All right, so specs and looks are one thing. Let's talk about some real world testing. I did a few different tests with a bunch of dirt, leaves, and even stones throughout the pool to see how it cleaned. Like I mentioned earlier, you have different modes for cleaning with the M1. You can set it to their deep clean mode, so it will do the walls and waterline first. Again, great for the grime that always collects on the waterline. And then once completely cleaned on the walls, it will move down to the floor. I love watching it clean the waterline because it goes all the way up to the surface and scrubs away at all that buildup, and it doesn't slip at all thanks to that track and wheel setup. In my opinion, scrubbing the waterline is the most tedious task of cleaning a pool, so this is amazing. Once it moves down to the floor, it will switch to a systematic S-path clean to make sure it doesn't miss anything on the bottom. Now, the coolest part is what happens at the end of this cleaning cycle, which you can also select separately. It switches over to their AI target mode, and instead of just blindly following a path, it will use the dual cameras to literally spot remaining clusters of leaves or dirt and drive straight to them and suck them up. Now, this AI target mode is the coolest thing because yes, you can do a deep clean here and there, but if you want a quick floor clean to get some of those leaves that collect down at the bottom, just select that. It'll take about 20 minutes and find out where all of that dirt and leaves are and go pick them up. And it's so fun to watch. Just check out how it's kind of just spotting where they are and going to it. It's not just aimlessly wandering around. The M1 features an AI inverter 2.0 system paired with a dual force flow design, which is essentially just 2 internal motors sharing the workload. When it ran over those stones, it automatically ramped up its AI adaptive suction, and even as the dual layer filter began to fill up with all of those leaves, the water will automatically reroute through a pressure relief valve, so it prevents the clogging and it maintains maximum suction the entire time. Also, not just the bigger things like leaves, those little stones that collect down at the bottom, it can easily find those, run them over, and make sure that they're out of your pool. Now let's talk about battery life, because this, in my opinion, is where the iGarden M1 really does separate itself from other robotic cleaners. On a single continuous run, this thing can go for up to 16 hours, whereas most cordless pool cleaners give you maybe 4 or 5 hours max before they die. Because this runtime is so long, you can actually use the AI timer feature. You can set it to automatically wake up, do a quick 20-minute clean every 24, 48, or 72 hours, then go right back to sleep underwater. Yes, you heard that right. You don't have to constantly keep taking it out of the water. It can just chill down at the bottom. And since it manages that power so efficiently, you can literally leave this robot in your pool for up to 30 days on a single charge. This makes it a true set it and forget it experience. You don't have to lift a finger. You can always come out with a clean pool. So let's talk about some final thoughts on the iGarden M1 cordless pool cleaner. If you're tired of dealing with those tangled cords, maybe a short battery life, and robots that just miss half the pool, this thing is a game changer. Combination of up to 16 hours of battery life, genuine AI target tracking, and hardware level privacy protection makes it easily one of the smartest pool cleaners on the market. And because it can detect those objects, it moves so much more efficiently, hence saving that battery life. It really is a next generation pool robot. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. So this really gives you some solid peace of mind. I will link to everything down in the description of the video below. Be sure to go check it out. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think about the M1 AI pool cleaner. A lot more to come. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.